Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your next job in 30 days or less with Final Round AI. Final Round is an amazing AI tool designed to open up new opportunities for you, help you to network with the right people, and most importantly, land your dream job. So if you're tired of sending out hundreds of applications with no response, or you're just struggling with interviews, then this tutorial will be a complete game changer. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly explain what Final Round actually is. So this isn't just like any other resume builder. It's a full AI-powered career assistant. It can handle everything from preparing you for interviews, improving your resume, generate cover letters, connecting you with the recruiters, calculating salaries, and even automatically applying for jobs for you. Think of it as having a career coach, resume writer, recruiters, and even interview trainer all in one platform. So let's get started. So here you can do both. You can get started for free or you can start free with your Google account. So if you click on this, here you will see you can sign up using your Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. So sign up with whatever account you want to open, signed in. Now, once you do that, okay, I'm going to use my Google account. Now select your Gmail and then select continue. Now here the sign up process is super easy and quick. So once you're inside, they will tell you their subscription plans. So if you view more, you will see that there are three type of package. One is God, there is Pro, and then Plus, and each of them has their own benefits and features as well. So if you want, you can try it as well, or if you're testing it out, then you can choose only the free basic. And of course, the free basic one doesn't unlock every single feature, but it's powerful enough to give you a good start. So don't worry if you ever wanted or needed the advanced feature, you can just upgrade anytime by checking their plan and uses, which is just right here. And now let's explore the major tool, which is the Interview Copilot. And this is one of my favorite tools. Like, imagine you're just sitting in a live interview and you're very nervous and you're not sure what to say. Well, this interview AI, this Copilot, is going to transcribe each question in real time, analyze the job descriptions, even pulls out details about the company, and give you a personalized guidance on how to answer right on the spot. And here you can also choose between a general interview or even a specific role-based interview. So here you can see you can choose the role, and there are so many roles. Let's say you are just a Python developer, and based on your role, they're going to give you general interviews, coding, copilot, and other features. And if you want, you can go ahead and start that. And you can also upload your resume, select the role as you say, you can choose your knowledge domain, pick the type of interview, and then launch. And you can also schedule it later, or you can also start immediately. So this is honestly like having an AI coach which brings the best possible answer during your interview. Now below that, we got this mock interview. Here you can see you can paste your job descriptions if you want. Let's say your position. You can also select your role level, your company, your job description, your company details, and next. Or you can select the other next steps as well. So the thing, it gives you like a job readiness assessment, so you can practice a real world question before you even face an actual recruiter. And if you don't have a specific job in mind yet, but you can still simply practice general interview questions that are normally asked in every field. So here you can do a standard reviewer. If you take their upgrade package, then this Elon Musk or any other AI interviewer can begin. You can also start interview with them. And here you can see, you can start the interview. You can also have some practice session as well. Now below that we have the preparation hub, and this is where you enter your career goals or even details about your upcoming interviews. And the final round creates a targeted questionnaire and answer just for you. So if you click on this prepare, just select your resume if that you have uploaded and give it job descriptions. And if you don't have a resume, then you can also select this go create a resume, and based on your LinkedIn profile, or if you have already your CV, so based on your CV you can also manage this. You can also link your LinkedIn profile, or you can also use their AI resume editor. So, and now this is we are talking about their AI resume. So we know that creating a resume is like a nightmare. So I think their AI resume is great to have. Now let's check out what they can do. So once you click on their create AI, they will ask you your name, your location, your phone number, the address, and your work experience, your project, your skills, and everything in your front, and you will see your resume being created in less than 5 minutes. So if you don't have a resume, then you can go ahead, click it. If you have, you can upload that, and if you want, you can also link your LinkedIn profile. So AI resume will turn it will help you to find job as well. Now let's move on to their AI material, which is AI material generator. These tools help you to create a custom cover letters, even job materials for each role you apply. So you don't have to like copy paste the same generic covers everywhere. And right below that we have this AI job hunter, which is one of the powerful features, and this acts like your 24/7 job assistance, and it can like automatically find jobs that matches your profile, applies for them on your behalf. And the best part is it doesn't just apply randomly, it customizes your resume and cover letter for every single role. So like instead of like applying to 10 jobs and hear nothing, you can be applying 100,000 plus optimized jobs in the same time, and you can also massively increase your chances as well. So I think this is the best features, and I think for that you have to upgrade your package. And next we have the AI career coach, and think of it as like a personal trainer or mentor. It can analyze your professional background, help you to set career goals, and even give you like step-by-step actions to reach them. Whether you want to switch your industry, you can also negotiate a higher salary, or prepare for a leadership role, this career coach can guide you as well. And here's some by default prompt you can try, and let's see how AI coach help you to understand this. And even if you want to do an human interaction, you can also even speak directly with the recruiters inside the platform. So now let's say, as you can speak with the interview recruiter from tech company, or if you want to change some startup, you can also do that. And here is a fun fact. You will find recruiters from the Fortune 500 companies, and you can ask them questions, get feedback, even discover hidden job interviews or opportunities. Isn't that great? And next we have their AI salary calculator. So this is one of another helpful features, because you just have to enter your company name, your current your location, your equity, bonus, and everything. So once you give your details to this AI, it will just generate a salary analysis for you. And this is very super useful if you're negotiating an offer and worry about being underpaid. And Next, we have their interview question bank. This is like a cheat sheet for most common interview questions along with the model answer you can practice. So there's no more about thinking, oh, I could have answered that better after an interview, because you have already prepared it for yourself. And finally, last we have this their playground. So this is like a safe place where you can experiment with different AI models. You can practice your interviews, basically play around with the tools without pressure, and it's perfectly okay for improving your confidence before the real things. And you can also interview with the coder, even the co-pilot. So choose whatever suits you the best. Now, why this matter? If you look for job interview, job hunting can be like totally frustrating. Sending a resume, waiting for the replies, preparing for interview is totally exhausting. But with this final round AI, you're not alone. You have the tools that are actively working for you day and night. Whether you're just a fresh graduate, a career switcher, or a professional aiming for growth, final round helps you to move forward. And trust me, using an AI tools like that isn't a cheating, it's like a smart career strategy. So recruiters themselves use AI every day. So you can also make sense for you to level up the game as well. And that's it for this video. I hope you have understand the full potential of using a final round AI. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.